Today on Mom's Dinner, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best homemade restaurant-style salsa. It starts with a blender or food processor. Add some white or red onions, a couple garlic cloves, some fresh cilantro, about half a cup of diced tomatoes that you remove from the can you will use later, fresh squeezed lime juice, and then you'll need salt, pepper, and a little sugar. Pop the lid on, and you'll want to process this until it's a pretty smooth mixture and everything is chopped up finely. Next, you'll add the rest of that can of diced tomatoes along with the juices. And for this part, you're not going to run the blender or processor. You're just going to pulse it a couple times to mix everything together and chop the big chunks of tomatoes down just a little bit. And that's it. Your homemade restaurant-style salsa is all ready. You just need to add chips. You can find the link to the full recipe in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mom's Dinner. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.